A function of x is graphed on the coordinate plane shown below. Which equation describes the function of x? Here we want to find two parts of the equation. We want to find the y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis right here. And then we also want to find the slope, the rise over the run. Now these are in function notation, which isn't much different than just y equals mx plus b. Again, where the slope is the m and the b is the y-intercept. The only difference here is they get rid of the y and they put f of x describing a function. So f of x equals mx plus b form. Notice that the y-intercept is between 2 and 4, so that is the order pair 0, 3. Since it is at a positive 3, we will put plus 3. I'm going to bring down the f of x part, the equals, and I'm going to find m. Remember, m is slope, which can also be described as the rise over the run. The rise, how you move up or down, compared to the run, left or right. Now we have 1 point now from the y-intercept on my graph. I now need to find another point on the graph that crosses both grid lines. We have a great option right here. It's a coincidence here, it doesn't always fall this way, that it's on the x-axis. So now if I do the slope, notice that the slope is, again, m. How I rise is actually by falling by 3. Since I'm falling, that's going to be a negative 3. And then I am running to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the reduced fraction for slope is going to be negative 3 over 4. Putting this all together now, my answer is going to be f of x equals negative 3 over 4, x plus 3. I'm going to match this to our multiple choice option. And the correct multiple choice option is this one right here in option choice A. Notice that all answer choices did have negative slopes. We should have been easily able to eliminate options B and D since their y-intercepts were at a 4 and not a 3. Now we can double check this now in Desmos, making sure it matches the graph. In Desmos here, we can type in f parenthesis x parenthesis equals negative 3 over 4, or negative 3/4 x plus 3. Notice that it is again right here at 0, 3, and it is moving with a slope of down 3 and 4 to the right. The graph is going to look slightly different because the scale in our problem, it was a 6 by 6, and notice that every other part was labeled. But in the end, the correct answer is option choice A.